Managing API keys, tokens, and database credentials securely is critical, but exposing them in collections or exports is a nightmare. Today, we'll see how you can store your secrets inside the vault and how to connect AWS Secret Manager. So, let's dive in. You can access the vault from the app footer, and here you can store your secrets locally. Add your secret keys and save it. You can call out the secrets from the vault using syntax vault followed by colon and key. For teams using AWS, Vault lets you pull centrally managed secrets directly into your local vault. Click Connect AWS Secret Manager. Enter your credentials. Test the connection, then save. Your AWS configuration is now ready, and you can add multiple configs for different environments. Add alias, enter ARN or secret name, and fetch the secrets. You can similarly reference them by using the same syntax. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.